Hey everyone, IRIX guy here. Now you may have already watched my unboxing video. This is the WeMo switch, which basically you put in a wall jack, and whatever device you plug into it, whether it be a lamp or other device, you can control it by way of your smartphone, either over your home Wi-Fi or the internet. So I'm going to use this lamp right here, which is now just plugged into the wall. So the first thing I'm going to do is unplug the lamp. I'm going to plug the WeMo into the wall outlet. I'm going to plug the lamp into the WeMo. Okay, the lamp's on. Now I've already downloaded my WeMo app, and this is an iPhone 5. If you haven't downloaded it, just go to App Store and search for WeMo. And I'm going to go through the process in the WeMo app for the first time, get started. I'm setting up a switch/motion. Okay, it's plugged in. Open settings. Okay, now I got to go to settings in my iPhone and go to Wi-Fi, because I'm going to communicate with that instead of my home Wi-Fi network. Okay, now I see a network called WeMo Switch. I'm going to connect to that. And again, this is in iPhone settings. WeMo app will step you through these steps. So now I'm going to go back into the WeMo app. It says discovering nearby networks. And now it's telling me to select my home network. So it's my iPhone's connected to the WeMo, but now it's asking what my home network is. So I'm telling it that. Entering the password for my home network. And now you can name it whatever. Since I plan to buy multiple WeMos, I'm going to name this something descriptive. I'm just going to call it the hallway lamp. You can select an icon. What's cool about this, instead of just selecting an icon, you can take a photo of the actual device. In this case, a lamp. So I'm going to make a photo of it. And that way I know exactly which lamp I'm powering on or powering off with WeMo app.